So I had a subscriber ask for a settlements video. I don't get settlements, I get Raycons, but I'm just gonna go off of my loads the stream for this week or whatever, so I ain't gotta scratch out all the shipper names and receiver names and stuff like that. Don't pay no attention to this first one up here, this Juliet the Swedesboro. That's for this week right here that I'm on right now. That I deliver tomorrow. That ends my week. So look at this Jersey City on down. So that Jersey City to Owensboro, Kentucky, the line haul is paying $12.28.40. Remember, I get 85% of that. So we want to go. What was it? 12.28.40. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add all of them up together, and then subtract the. Then do the 85%. 12.28.40 plus 22.67 plus 9.95 plus 1947.96, and that's 64.38.36 times 85%. So my 85% of that 64 number is 54.72.60. Then I'm gonna add in the fuel that I get too. So go back up to this Jersey City. My fuel surcharge is 415.50. So plus 415.50 plus 407.16 plus 295.26 and then plus 413.40. That equals $7,003.92 is what I'm getting paid for them loads for that I'm doing up until next week. So look like things are starting to get a little better over here. Get better because for a minute I was doing about 5,500 a week. Last week I did 67. The week before I did 57. So yeah, I don't know. Things might be getting a little better, but this just all comes with knowing your numbers, knowing what you can run for, and planning your loads accordingly. So I guess that's it for now. I'm out.